Hi, my name is Zach Miller, and inside of this course, I'm going to be teaching you how to create the perfect marketing plan. Now, at the end of the day, there is 101 different things you can do, from paid ads, free ads, banners, solo, social media, SEO, blog writing. The list goes on and on and on. But what I'm going to be covering inside of this is really what is necessary in order to have a successful business online. Now, this also includes whether you have your own products in your own business, you're just starting, or you are an affiliate. At the end of the day, these techniques are all universal and they make sure that you can become profitable online while still growing and going through those growing pains of becoming a new business. So at the end of the day, I really just want to go over the main core ideas that I've had success with, that I've had my clients have success with, and maybe one or two auxiliary ideas as well, because I know a lot of you guys love SEO and you guys love blogging. So I'm going to include a little bit of that as well, but primarily we're going to be sticking to what works. If that sounds like something that you are ready to take on, then join me inside of this course.